Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to open HSBC bank account in UK for international students. So let's get started. So there are some important documents that you will need. For example, the first one is your passport and the second is a UK student visa, and you will also need proof of university enrollment. You will also need proof of address and overseas address. Now you can do this two ways, either online or by going to the branch. So to do it using online, go to the browser and now go to hsbc.co.uk. Now scroll down and click on how to apply. Now here scroll down and click on apply now. Now you can start the application on the HSBC website. Fill all of your personal details and also enter the documents. Now once you are approved, you will receive your account details and debit card by mail. And now the second option is in branch application. So you have to visit a local HSBC branch and then bring all of your documents, and the bank staff will help you in making your account. You will also get your bank account details on the spot. Now an HSBC bank account also has many features. For example, interest-free overdraft. It is up to £1,000 on your first year and it is up to £2,000 on your third year. Another feature is mobile banking, so you can easily manage your account on your phone. And another important feature is the global access, as HSBC is a global bank. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.